Hello, I'm Kunal Chaudhary, and this is my research project for scientific research. So this is the homepage of my digital portfolio, and I have created a navigation system for Innovation Academy. And here is the about me. I'll start by telling you a little bit about my project first. So I started this project by trying to understand whether students at my school actually need a navigation system or not. And some people would think it's useful, some not. So I surveyed about 20 students across IA, and I made sure that I talked to people from different grade levels, different parts of the building, different pathways, and used that to overall get my data together. And so about me, I'm a computer science student. And I was just curious about different software around us and like how things work in general in the field of computer science, and what is something useful that I could bring to the school using my knowledge of programming. And this is my research poster. You can zoom in a little bit if you want to have a look at it. And so to actually make this website for the navigation system, I had to learn three languages, which are the basics to programming a website: HTML, hypertext markup language; CSS, cascading style sheets; and JavaScript. So once I knew what students wanted using the forms that I used to collect the data, I started my prototype in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript using this platform called CodePen, which also taught me more about programming in those languages as I was moving on, because I did not know how to program in any of these languages. So HTML kind of gave me the structure for everything, like the skeletal structure of a person, like the buttons, the floor maps, how to switch between the floors, how to toggle between a schedule panel and like a panoramic view when it comes to that. And there's just simple elements in HTML called tags, such as the div containers, image tags that allow you to put in pictures, buttons that you could use in this scenario for navigation. And overall, that was HTML. CSS is more of the, it's like the name suggests, cascading style sheets. It allows you to style and personalize the website to whatever you want, and just make it aesthetically as pleasing as possible and make it usable on phones and computers at the same time. Whereas JavaScript, there's this thing called DOM manipulation that I recently learned about, which I used to update my map and load the panoramas, used for these algorithms that I made for simple routing around the school and the rerouting and just different things in general. And just about my research, this is literally what I just talked about. And yeah.